Hello, I am so excited that you are wanting to become an affiliate of Dreamer to Profitable. Here's what you're going to see when you click the link. Now, I do offer a 30% commission on all of my affiliates, so that is great income for you. So what you're going to do is, now you already have a ThriveCart account because you're a student of Dreamer to Profitable, so you're going to click this bottom link right here, but I'm going to do it as if I don't have one, but it's going to look the same. So I'm going to sign up and register, and now I'm going to fill out my information. Then you're going to agree to terms and conditions and confirm my registration. Now when you log in, you're going to see the different products that are offered. You're going to go to this dashboard where it says overview. Then you can see any commissions that you have, any clicks. So this is something that you can come back to and see where you're at with the people that you've referred. Now I'm going to go to products. And you're going to see this here. It's going to be approved, and you're going to click view. Now you can see here the different affiliate links. Now these are going to be unique to you. So this is the test one that I created, Kelly Smith at test 123. So this is my affiliate link for Dreamer to Profitable. I also have links for you if you want someone to refer them to the free class that's coming up. You can copy that one. This is directly to Dreamer to Profitable, the course, if you would just want to direct someone directly to the course, or also the side hustle guide. So if we do this one here, I'm going to open up a new tab and show you what that looks like. So this is your unique link. Now, if you use pretty links, then you can make a pretty link as well, but if not, then you can just give them this direct. Now this is for the September class, so if you want to refer someone to the September class, then this is the link that you want to give them, and they'll enter their name and email address. Now what is going to happen is it is going to tell me in ThriveCart, which is where I host my course, that they signed up through your link. So if they purchase the course this week or next week, or anytime in the next 3 months, it's going to give you a 30% commission on it, which is amazing. Now, if they do the payment plan, then you're going to get 30% every time that they make the payment. So every month for the next 3 months or 6 months, then you'll get a commission. So there's the class, and it's going to, like I said, automatically apply. Or we also have it directly for the course sign up. And that's going to bring them directly to the sales page where they can enter in their information and purchase the course directly, or the guide. This is the freebie as well. So if they're wanting to figure out which side hustle is best for them, they can download the free guide. And if they purchase the course through that, then it's going to give you the credit as well. So like I said, that's under products. And then you're going to see your affiliate information with your links that are unique to you right here. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions.